Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting TSV file to JSON format. To download the app, I'll go on this website and click on search. I have a link on this site on the description. Click on search and type TSV and click on TSV converters and click on Tsv To Json and click on download to start downloading process and wait until application will be downloaded to my computer. I also can show you what file I'm going to be converting. This is state TSV. I have a TSV viewer. It's a free application and it's showing what is inside of TSV file. You can see I have state information, state name, code, region, subregion, all these columns inside TSV with all data for all states from Alabama to Wyoming. And everything is here. So I will be converting this file into JSON format. So I can close this, and you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I click on downloaded archive, click on MSI Inside Archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click around anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click on finish on final screen. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is a 3-step process. In first step I have to select my TSV file. I will click to select input file and navigate to my state TSV. Click on open. You can see file has been selected. I can also select multiple files if I hold shift. For example, if I hold shift and click on these 2 files, I can select 3 files. Or I even can click and type Ctrl-A to select all files in the folder, and all files will be selected. But for demonstration purposes, let's select only state TSV, click on open, click on next step. Here, normally TSV file first line contains column names, and my file this is the case too. So I'll leave it checked, click on next step, and here I can preview JSON data created from TSV file. You can see it has a state name, state code, everything into JSON format. So then I can save. It will ask me for name location of the file, and this name location is okay, just click save. And let's go and see file. I'll just right click, open it with Notepad. Choose another app. Just maybe just simple Notepad. Open and just to see what is inside. So you can see it contains structure. Top structure is a table name. If I select multiple TSV files, it will be multiple top structures, and every top structure contains hierarchy with all data from TSV file. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.